My friends know that I have a math book addiction. So many of them have great ideas and good research, but I'm often left with the feeling of, now what? Exactly how do you teach this? That's why when the Made for Math team set out to write books, we wanted to make sure we didn't leave readers feeling like they needed more. You can get a copy of Math Facts to Memory and be explicitly instructed on how to teach students to add and subtract within 1 and 10. It's a multisensory approach and is perfect for parents, special ed, or any professional that does pull out Tier 2 and 3 intervention for students with math learning differences. Inside, you'll find the latest research, tons of games, vocabulary sheets, and detailed instructions on how to guide students. Pick up your copy at shop.madeformath.com.